guys, good morning. 8 o'clock in the morning here in the Philippines at September 17, 2025. Please subscribe of Honeybomb Vlog. I woke up early cause I'm gonna make caldereta. This is my ingredients. Carrots, bell pepper, and then potato, marble potato always. And white onion always, butter, and marinated. Yesterday I marinate this. Look, I marinate all of this. Look, the texture, everything. This one. And somebody order that girl mashed potato. Mashed potato. Oh, try it. That's her favorite. Honey bunny. There. See, I told you, that's my own version mashed potato. What taste?
Yummy.
Look at her smile. She can't stop to eat mashed potato.